Okay, guys, today, 7th of May, Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court, just like as yesterday as well. Tomorrow, he's going to be the D-Day. That is the final day of the court case. That was what the presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, said before on the 6th. You understand? He said that when Nnamdi Kanu appeared on the May 2nd, he said the case will take place 6, 7, 8, right? Okay. Then on the 8th of May, that will be the end of this Nnamdi Kanu's court case. So there's a kind of drama that almost caused a very big problem in the court between the prosecutor and the defendant, that is Nnamdi Kanu's legal team, and the Nigerian government team as well. So the Federal High Court ordered the federal government of Nigeria, say next time you have to do this, always serve the Biafra agitator, that's Nnamdi Kanu, with documents and materials intended to be submitted as exhibit before they are intended in court. Because the prosecutor counsel, they submitted documents in court, which the other side, Nnamdi Kanu, a legal team, said they will not accept that because that they were not aware of that document. You understand? Even the presiding judge said that cannot happen. Even he himself was not given the document. The document was not tendered to him as well before that court hearing. You understand? So there was a kind of this serious warning. Let this not happen again. So Justice James Omotosho said such documents and materials must be front loaded and be made available to the defendant as required by law, so as not to catch him unawares in the defense of terrorism charges filed against Nnamdi Kanu. Say in Nigeria, we recently find out that our judiciary system, they go according to how the constitution be again. But when you challenge them, they could say, they go quote one for you, they go bend the law. But I want to tell us something here. As far as this case is concerned now, this latest development, I've not seen this guy being partial. Yes, he's not partial. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow because the Nigerian government, they are full of surprises. You understand? If not, with what is happening now, you can see that the man is following due process. He said he has to follow due process of the law. He said this in the beginning of this case. There is no need wasting time. The due process must be followed. So the judge issued the order on Tuesday during the resumption of Kanu's trial on terrorism charges. Issues arose when the second prosecution witness, PW2, codenamed as PWBBB. The first eyewitness was PWAAA. So that yesterday one was PWBBB. He testified that he was signed by the Attorney General of the Federation to investigate Nnamdi Kanu. That was the former Attorney General of Nigeria, Abubakar Malami. So he described Kanu as the operator of the Radio Biafra and the founder of the Eastern Security Network. However, attempts by the federal government through its lawyers, Omowolo's son, to tender a letter authorizing the witness investigation was opposed by Kanu's lawyer, Kanu Agbebi son, on the ground that the document was not front-loaded as required by law. So the prosecution later withdrew the document and the court granted the withdrawal. The trial also saw documents over the admissibility of a video evidence presented by the defendant, which Kanu himself opposed. The court ordered that all materials intended for trial must be served in advance and listened properly stressing that no document would be admitted unless previously disclosed to the defendants. Earlier, during the continued cross-examination of the first prosecution witness PW1, codenamed PWAAA, he admitted not being aware that several terrorism charges against Nnamdi Kanu had been struck out by the same court. The witness, who is an operative of the Department of the State Service DSS, also admitted not to have knowledge of the current status of many of the original 15 count charges. Re-examined by the lead prosecutor, Chief Amowolo San, the witness stated that Kanu activities amounted to agitation for the secession of parts of Nigeria. So guys, this is going on. Today, there is also a heat up in the court. I am telling you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu legal team, they are all prepared. You understand? They are prepared. I am telling you, this is not a joke. They don't want hear say, you get. They are prepared for this matter. They let the federal government of Nigeria, they know, say, see, this is enough. Our country, we have, what is it called? We have constitutions, so which we have to go by it. There is no need turning anything or whatever. All this matter, we have to go by the Nigerian constitution. So guys, tomorrow, he's going to be boom boom. You understand? Today was really tough. So tomorrow is another day. We are all waiting to see what is going to be the outcome of tomorrow's court case. So I am dropping it here. Please drop your comment below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.